Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
The game of air dominance is going to change pretty soon as India is all set to receive its S400 surface-to-air missile defense system. At LAC, it will ensure the denial of airspace by any of the Chinese fighter jet, be it best of the lot, the mighty Dragon J-20. Same is the story at LOC with Pakistan. It will be much easier for Indian S-400 systems to detect and neutralize the Pakistani fighter jets as the best they got is F-16. In today's discussion, we will touch upon a few important aspects of S-400. First is about how the delivery of 5 regiments of S-400 is planned over the years, and second, the possible deployment of S-400 systems across our border and the area coverage it's going to provide. We will also talk about the working of S-400 system in a multi-layered fashion. So let's get started. As we have reported earlier, an initial team of almost 100 officers and airmen are being trained in Russia at present to operate the S-400 system from the beginning of year 2021. The groundwork related to its deployment is also undergoing in full swing. Recently, the Federal Service of Military Technical Cooperation Director Dmitry Sugaev has said that Russia has started supplying S-400 air defense system to India. The first division will be delivered by the end of 2021. It's important to note that he's talking about the first division of S-400. India and Russia has inked $5.43 billion contract in October 2018 for the 5 units of S-400 air defense system. The first defense regiment of S-400, which will start arriving from November onwards and will come into active service by the end of 2021 or early 2022. The second regiment of S-400 will include a long-range radar, a command post vehicle, a target acquisition radar, and 2 battalions of launchers. It is expected to be delivered by mid of 2022. The third, fourth, and fifth regiment are planned to be delivered by 2023. Now, since we know about the phased delivery plan of S-400 systems, let's talk in detail about their deployment and kind of coverage they are going to provide to Indian airspace. Another important disclaimer that we would like to give to our viewers, it's solely based on our opinion of the deployment of S-400 system to give you an idea of the airspace denial and coverage India is going to get. As per few reports, the first deployment of S-400 is expected at a location close to western border, from where it can tackle threats from both parts of western and northern borders with Pakistan and China. This will cover whole of Jammu and Kashmir, including POK region, Ladakh, northern part of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. It can target aircraft deep inside Pakistan's territory, covering Lahore and Islamabad. The moment any Pakistani fighter jet takes off from Lahore or Islamabad, it will be in Indian S-400 radar. The second regiment's most expected deployment is going to be Arunachal Pradesh, the eastern sector of LAC, considering the increase in activity from PLA which we have seen this year. This will give visibility to Indian radars till Lhasa in Tibet. The third regiment, if deployed in Uttarakhand, will cover parts of northern borders and securing the national capital. The remaining two are going to be deployed again in Western Front, covering the complete stretch of LOC and deep inside Pakistan's airspace. If S-400 is deployed in Jalandhar, the system would be able to shoot down an aircraft in Islamabad, and if the Indian Air Force decide to deploy a system even further to Amritsar, Punjab, it will bring Peshawar into the range of S-400. As we are already aware that India has developed its own indigenous two-tiered ballistic missile defense system, which is already operational. The BMD system consists of Prithvi Air Defense PAD and Advanced Air Defense AAD system for high altitude interception and low altitude interception respectively. The outermost layer of Indian multi-layered shield will constitute India's indigenous AAD and PAD, with the new S-400 defense system comprising the second layer. The Barak 8, a medium-range surface-to-air missile system co-developed by India's DRDO and Israel's IAI, will form the third layer of the shield. The Akash SAM will act as an area defense missile system which will form the fourth layer.
An S400 system has four major components: command and control system, one surveillance radar, one engagement radar, and four launch trucks or transporter erector launcher TEL. It comes with four different types of missiles, which are short range 9M96E 40 km, medium range 9M96E2 120 km, long range 48N6 250 km, and the very long range 40N6E 400 kilometers. One unit of S400 system consists of 8 battalions. Each battalion of S400 has 8 launchers and each launcher has 4 tubes. India has ordered for two different types of missiles which are having a range of 400 kilometers and 250 kilometers, which means the Indian S400 launchers will have either two 400 km range missile and two 250 km range missile, or all four having 400 km range missiles. The long-range surveillance radar of S400 tracks on objects and relays information to command vehicle for target assessment. Once the target is identified, the missile launched based on the instruction from the command vehicle. It also has the capability to automatically pick the right missile for a given target. The launch vehicle gets the launch data and is placed in best position to release the missile. The missile is guided towards the target with the help of the engagement radar. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.